Alright. Got the glossy version. Let's open this thing. Ooh, this bag feels very nice. And focus on the cube. This feel definitely an upgrade from my current main. It's the Melon Forum. I've broken it in. It feels very nice. Cool. So definitely feels like it needs broken in. It needs to be broken in first. But it's very fast. A bit tight for my taste, but honestly, not bad, not bad. So I've tried an MPC 404 at a competition before, and I can tell you that it kind of feels like this. This feels like a pretty good upgraded version of the MPC 404, but now that's better. That's very much better. So I'm getting all factory glue all over my hands right now, but you know, where's my time? Double parity, but honestly, this is a pretty nice upgrade from the MGC 4x4, and especially an upgrade from my Melon Forum as well. So yeah, that's about it from this first impressions video. See ya.